Okay, now notice you have some golfers, maybe pedestrians. Notice the stop sign. This is the right turn lane, because notice across the street the road doesn't keep going. That's a private drive. Now if you look to the right, notice I have a yellow diamond and it says lane ends merge left. But notice I have the slash marks on the street, the long lines. Okay, now I have the arrows. Anytime you have those long white lines, you have to turn into that lane. Now I'm going to put on my left signal, look over my shoulder, and then change one lane. I'm keeping on my signal because look at the yellow diamond. It's a T. So my road is ending. So look up ahead at the yellow sign with the black arrows. Notice I have no stop sign. So I get to keep moving. The two side streets have the stop signs. Okay, so if I don't have a stop sign and I have that yellow sign with the black arrows, typically I get to keep moving. Okay, now we're in a neighborhood. Okay, we're going to do a 2-point turn. What that means is we're going to back into a driveway and then we're going to turn around. So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to find a driveway with no car. Okay, so I'm going to come over to the curb. I'm going to bring my tires by the cement. Now I'm going to back into this driveway. I'm going to put my car in reverse. I'm going to put on my right signal. Okay, now I'm looking out my back rear view mirror. And if you look at the end of the grass, there's a black expansion joint in the cement. Just before my tire gets to that line, I'm going to turn hard right. So right about there. And I'm going to turn hard right. So I'm looking over my right. Okay, my back tires are going into the space. Now I look at my left mirror to make sure that I don't. And then once my front tires hit, I stop. Put my car in drive. Switch my signal to the left, look left, right, and back to the left. And then I can release, give myself some power, and that's my 2-point turn. So they say you can do it on a side street or a driveway. Typically I use driveways, that way I don't have to worry about a car coming up behind me.